I'm Darci Hannah, and you've just watched me make a decadent deconstructed cherry pie. It's the signature cherry delight of Whitney Bloom, the main character of my Very Cherry Mystery series. If you would like to make this delicious dessert yourself, you can find the recipe in the newly released Kindle edition of Cherry Pies and Deadly Lies, now available in the Kindle store for just $2.99. Or you can visit www.darcihannah.com, my website, to learn how to make this recipe as well as other delicious recipes and to find out a little bit more about my books. So thank you for watching this video, and as always, happy reading and happy baking.